Alright, I'm trying to figure out why the fan was making a lot of noises. I cleaned the fan, I unscrewed it, took that off, and while I was cleaning around this computer, I noticed there's a lot of dust underneath this fan. Below this driver, I think. Anyways, I missed this spot. We'll see if it works afterward. Alright, I just finished cleaning the interior of my desktop computer the best as I can. And what I did is I took these screws out and these screws over here too. Can't really see in the dark, but anyways, these are this handy mini tool. It's pretty good. Alright, we'll see if my troubleshooting computer issue with my Ravi video editing disappears through this cleaning process.